Morning and warm welcome to our respected principal sir, HM, all the parents and our little alumni to the virtual certificate ceremony of fancy dress competition. Our aim behind organizing this competition was to help our students to develop confidence, use their imagination to the fullest and blend learning with fun. The beauty of the world lies in the diversity of its people. Our theme for the Fancy Dress competition was cultural diversity, the true essence of beautiful India. Diversity among people can be seen in their culture, their way of dressing, their place of worship, their language, their food. Children presented different states like Punjab, Gujarat, West Bengal, Rajasthan, Mizoram and given to us the distinct flavor of incredible India. Moving on, you would like to present to you a few glimpses from the competition and show you how our young students worked so hard. A special shout out to all the parents. I congratulate all of you and appreciate all your efforts. Thank you for preparing the children with such creativity and passion even in this tough time. What a beautiful display of different culture. It's very difficult for the judges to select the winners. Now two of our participants will be performing live. Now I call Anaisha Dubey who will be presenting the state West Bengal. So Anaisha Dubey, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. नमस्कार, केमन आছেন ভালো আছেন?
बेटा एक मिनट वेट करो, एक मिनट वेट करो।
Just a minute,
Anaisha,
Anaisha, just
wait.
wait. Anaisha, you
Give me 1 minute, beta. Just give me 1 minute. I'll put you on spotlight. Anaisha Dubey. Okay.
yes.
Yes, you can start.
नमस्कार, केमन आছেন ভালো আছেন? मेरा नाम अनाइशा दुबे है। मैं कक्षा 9 में पढ़ती हूँ। आज मैं सबको सचमुच की शहर कराने जा रही हूँ। यहाँ पर तरह-तरह की मिठाइयाँ बनती हैं, जैसे रसगुल्ला, संदेश, गुझी और चीनी मिठाइयाँ। यहाँ पर दुर्गा पूजा बहुत धूमधाम से मनती है। मुझे नाट्य कौर की इस पावन भूमि में सबसे प्रमाण। अब मैं आप सबको एक बंगाली नृत्य दिखाने जा रही हूँ।
Great. So everybody, you can clap for Anaisha Dubey. Very good, Anaisha.
So Anaisha, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Anaisha, kemon ache? Am I right? What I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Kemon ache, Anaisha? Tell me in Bengali.
Hello, আছেন?
Bhalo ache. And then you should be asking me also.
কেমন আছেন?
Bhalo, khub bhalo. Thank you. Very nice. Very well done.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Anaisha. So the next participant is Anika Roy, who will be presenting the state Rajasthan. So
Just-
Anika Roy will be ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute, ma'am will put you in the spotlight. Okay, so Anika. Very nice.
Thank you,
So Anika, what should we say? Khamba Gani, Anika?
sir.
Very good. Very well done. God bless you.
Thank you.
Very good. Very nice. Now I will announce the name of the winners of the competition. So it's time to announce the name of the winners. So congratulations to all the parents, to all the babies. So now I will announce the name who got the first position. So from nursery A, we have Avya Mittal, Anaisha Dubey, and Aradhya Gupta. From nursery B, we have Mishika Singhal, Anaya Singh, Riyansh Agarwal. From nursery C, Lavanya Chaudhary, Ruhan Baksh, Pratyaksh Bansali. From nursery D, we have Namish Yadav, Trisha Gatt, Navisha Jain. And from nursery E, we have Arav Gupta, Prisha Agarwal, and Shivai Panjwani. So all the position holders, first position, have big clap, and they can switch on the camera, and we have a picture.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, children. Very well done. Though Kakoli ma'am, for us, all of them are winners.
All of them are
These-
winners, sir.
These are the ones whom we are specially acknowledging for the efforts they have put or for the variety which they brought. So
Yes.
congratulations to all the children.
Switch on your camera and have a photograph with sir and ma'am.
Smile.
Smile.
Bye, ma'am.
Don't bye. Just switch off your camera.
Well done.
Baby, don't go. Just switch off your camera.
Now
Don't go
bye
away.
now.
Okay?
You can switch off your camera. Now the second position holders, ma'am can again share. So now the second position holder from nursery A, we have Anaya Bannal, Arush Agarwal, Bhuvika Sharma. From nursery B, we have Advait Shaurya Tiwari, Himang Kumar, and Anav Gupta. From nursery C, we have Anaisha Jaggi, Janvi Thamija, and Rudan Sharma. From nursery D, we have Anika Roy, Jianshi Gupta, Sabneet Kaur. And from nursery E, we have Vivan Singh, Fiona Ahuja, and Moshika. So again, the position holder can switch on their camera.
Congratulations, babies.
Very good. Congratulations. You can switch on your camera and photograph.
Congratulations, everyone, once again. Well done.
Smile.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Okay, now we will go to third position. Ma'am can again share. So third position from nursery 8 goes to Nilay Best, Ranbir Sharma, Sachi Menani. From nursery B, we have R.V. Gangwal, Rohan Agarwal, Vivan Jain. And from nursery, we have Anaya Gupta, Viraj Rathore, Bhumi. From nursery D, we have Manisha, Yuvan Gupta, and Vivan Jain. From nursery E, we have Pankaj, Vivan Bajaj, and Prisha Goel. So congratulations.
Many
to all
congratulations,
the winners.
babies.
You can switch on your camera and we have a photograph.
Congratulations to these children also. Well done.
Smile. Sit straight. Thank you.
So Ritu ma'am, photograph here.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
So Okay, wait, baby. Now I request our Asian ma'am to say few words and bless our children. Pooja ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much, Kakli ma'am. Namaskar and a very warm good morning to Principal Sir, my dear colleagues, parents and my little alconites. मैं आज क्या बोलूं, अभी अनायशा का और अनिका का अभी इतना अच्छा सा डांस देखने के बाद मेरे तो मुंह में शब्द ही नहीं है. बट मैं ज़रूर बोलना चाहूँगी दैट भारत जो है हमारी बहुत ही विविध संस्कृति का देश है और यहाँ पे कई सारी भाषाएं बोली जाती हैं, अलग अलग तरह के कपड़े पहने जाते हैं, भिन्न भिन्न धर्मों को माना जाता है और कई तरह के भोजन और कई इसमें प्रथाएं हैं जो चलती आई हैं. लेकिन वो सारा एक साथ देखने को मुझे कल फैंसी ड्रेस कंपटीशन में देखने को मिला. उस रंगीन संस्कृति का जो एक थोड़ा सा मज़ा था वो मैंने कल चखा और आज भी चखा. जिस तरह से नन्हे बच्चों ने बंगाल हो, पंजाब हो, राजस्थान, मिजोरम जैसे देशों की भाषा, खान पान, वेशभूषा उन सबको दिखाया अपने अनोखे अंदाज में, वो बहुत ही काबिलिए तारीफ है. उसके लिए आप सबको एक बहुत बड़ा एक हग और क्लैप बनती है. कई बच्चों ने तो अपने नृत्य से, जैसे आज भी हमने अनायशा का और अनिका का छोटा सा एक नृत्य देखा, उससे उन्होंने ऐसा नृत्य दिखाया कि बस मन मोह लिया और उसकी छोटी छोटी झलकी में ही ऐसा लगा जैसे वेस्ट बंगाल और राजस्थान हमारे बीच ही बैठा है और हम उनके बीच बैठ के वहाँ देख रहे हैं. इस प्रयास के लिए मैं सभी बच्चों का और उनके पेरेंट्स का, अभिभावकों का दिल से आभार व्यक्त करना चाहूँगी. और मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगी कि इन नन्हे कलाकारों को आपने जिस तरह से प्रिपेयर करा अपने घर में, आप ऐसे ही इस संस्कृति का आपने इनको जो इनको इनसे विभिन्न कराया है, उससे इनको इंट्रोड्यूस कराया है, वो प्लीज़ आप ऐसे ही करते रहिएगा. अपने प्रयास को पीछे मत रहने दीजिएगा. आपने हमारे लिए कंपटीशन जज करना जितना मुश्किल करा है, मैं चाहती हूँ आगे के कंपटीशन और मुश्किल हो जाएं. टीचर्स सोचती रह जाएं कि क्या फर्स्ट है और क्या सेकंड है. और जैसे सर ने कहा, हमारे लिए सारे बच्चे फर्स्ट हैं, कोई फर्स्ट नहीं होता, कोई सेकंड नहीं होता. वो मुश्किल से कुछ 2-5 नंबर या मुश्किल से 0.5 नंबर का एक इधर उधर का हेर फेर है, वरना हमारे लिए तो हमारे सारे बच्चे ही अव्वल नंबर हैं. तो इन सभी के लिए, आप अभिभावकों के लिए बहुत सारा अभिनंदन और खूब सारी क्लैपिंग. थैंक यू सो मच. आई थिंक यू मेड दिस कॉम्पिटिशन अ सक्सेस. इफ़ यू वुड नॉट हैव कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटेड, और ये बच्चों ने अगर अपना हमें टैलेंट नहीं दिखाया होता ना, वो जैसे कहते हैं ना, वो डांस इंडिया डांस का टैलेंट आता है, इंडियाज गॉट टैलेंट आता है, ये आइकॉन का टैलेंट है. और ये आइकॉन का टैलेंट अपने में ही एक ऐसा टैलेंट है कि इसका एक खूब अगर हम मंच बनाएं तो ये मंच किसी और मंच से छोटा मंच नहीं है, बल्कि उससे खूब बड़ा मंच बन जाएगा. सो थैंक यू सो मच. इट वॉज रियली अ प्लेजर टू बी देयर येस्टरडे, और आज भी आपके साथ जुड़ के बहुत मज़ा आया. And we wish to see more of this talent in the coming competitions and upcoming events also. Thank you once again. It was a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Pooja ma'am, for your valuable words.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, baby. And congratulations to all of you. वो तो मैं भूल ही गई.
Now I request our principal sir to address the gathering and shower blessings.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, baby.
All right, so now we have to thank them. It's really wonderful and amazing to see the talent of these children and the involvement of parent, as Pooja has already shared. What we have been trying to talk to children and parents and in our community in general, that it's always better to first know about our own culture, our own diversity, which brings out the sense of unity. There are so many celebrations which are there, celebratory movements are there, and we must spread that joy. We should be able to feel, we should be able to connect. India has already been known as the country of diversity, but so much of vibrancy which is there. It is reflected in the beauty of language, you may say, the costumes, the food, and the way people connect with each other. So there is so much of learning from each culture. There is so much of joy, and there is a sense, there is a logical sense behind everything which has been done. which happens round the clock. If we look at just as a school with SDG in its soul, we do look at the UN calendar. We look at what are the events which are happening globally. At the same time, my wish to everyone will be that let us keep looking at our local calendar as well, and our own local calendar, which has various events and various festivities from different states, the stories behind them, because they are so motivational. They talk about guiding principles of life. They give human being as the topmost priority, and acknowledging that human nature and character is something which we need to learn. So I'm delighted that our educators, they are connecting with parents, and together we are creating that culture of learning with joy, which is true experiential learning, and which is something which will be able to remain in the memory of these children. It will reflect in their behavior. It will reflect the way they greet and the way they talk to each other and the way they accept each other. So this is a beautiful society in the making. The Alcon itself represents our country. It represents the global community. It represents mini India in itself, and that is what we want to see. Dear parents, of course, every time we meet, we are here to acknowledge your contribution, your support, and your guidance to our children. Feel free to stay connected with us. Let us keep working together in shaping these children's future the way you want to see. So we at Alcon are committed. We shall certainly provide with every possible opportunity to children. And honestly speaking, looking at the performance of the children, it is very difficult for us to say that this is the child who has done better than the other, because each one is, I would say, a role model in their own. Each one of them is going to be a future citizen in the making. And let us motivate, let us support our children so that they are able to become the future citizen what we want to see them. With this, I want to wish everyone the very best. Congratulate all the children, all the parents, and all the teachers who have supported them so beautifully. And the way they are shaping up, the way they are performing, it gives me sheer delight. It makes me so happy. You have made my day. So I'll always eagerly keep looking forward to joining some meetings and listening to our children, their voices, and of course, at the back of our mind, the only thought which is echoing is let's hope and pray we are able to welcome our children back to the campus as soon as we can. So till then, we'll keep meeting virtually, we'll keep celebrating every moment, we'll keep celebrating every moment of joy. And at this moment, when there is so much of festivity around, let me take this opportunity to convey my greetings to everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy, and let us contribute to our environment, which is there for our children to live in future. So let's make this planet worthy of living for them in future to support all kinds of life on Earth. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you
sir.
for guiding us at every step. Thank you so much, sir.
All right, dear. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good day. Thank you,
You
sir.
too have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Bye. Bye, sir. Bye.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, sir.
babies.
Bye.